Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn another new edging or border pattern, and it's very easy heart pattern which we will complete only in 3 rows. And let's go ahead and try to make this beautiful edging a body pattern. Okay, for this project, I am going to use 4-ply cotton yarn, which is of soft green color, and I'm using 2 crochet hooks. One is of lesser number of size, which is 5, and another one is bigger size, which is 1.75 mm. Now, I am using this less size of hook, is smaller size of hook, so that will get easily poked in this hanky, this cotton hanky. As I told you in my previous videos, that you can already poke in, you can already make holes in the hanky, so that while you make actual design, actual pattern, it would be very easy for you to use a bigger size of hook. So I do my way, and you can do according to your convenience. You can directly use a smaller size of hook while making the pattern if your hanky or if your napkin is too soft, so that it will easily get poked inside. Let's start with the pattern. So I'm starting right from the corner, this side here. Right from the corner I'm starting with, and I will start with a chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3. This would count as 1 double crochet, and I will make more 6 double crochet here in the corner. Total 7 double crochet. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is the corner, and remember, on every corner you have to make 7 double crochets like this, and then I will start with this row pattern here on the side edging pattern. Chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll do one single crochet like this, single crochet like this, then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a single crochet at some distance like this. Chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now here at some distance I'll make 5 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. On the corners you have to make 7 double crochets, and while going through the pattern on the sides you have to make 5 double crochets. Again repeat 1, 2 and 3, a single crochet at some distance, then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, single crochet at some distance like this, then chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 5 double crochets at same place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. So likewise you have to keep repeating this pattern. You have to make, in the corners you have to make 7 double crochets, then chain of 3, single crochet, chain of 5, single crochet at some distance, chain of 3 and then 5 double crochets. Then again chain of 3 single crochet, 5 chains, single crochet, chain of 3, 4, 5 double crochets. So here on the sides you have to make 5 double crochets at the same place, and only in the corners you have to make 7 double crochets at the same place. I'll complete this round and I'll see you after this. Alright, so here I've completed this first round and I'm gonna do my last slip stitch on the third chain stitch, which we have started as 1 double crochet with the 3 chains like this. So this first round is completed entirely, on all 4 sides have completed. Now what we have to do in the corners where we have made 7 double crochets, starting with the very first double crochet, make 1 2 3 chains up, which will count as 1 double crochet, and make 1 more double crochet in the same chain space. So as you can see from the bottom one first double crochet, I've made 2 double crochet. In the next one I'll make 3 double crochet. In the next double crochet I'll make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Again in the next one I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the next one I'll make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. In the next one 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the next one 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. In the next one 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. So here our first corner is completed like this, starting with 2 double crochets and ending with 2 double crochets. Every time you have to make 2 3 2 2 3 2 3 2 3 and 2. Now I'm going to make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. In this 5 chain space I'll make 1 single crochet like this, chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Now where we have made 5 double crochets in the first one, I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the next one 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now in the middle one, the third double crochets, I'll make 1 double crochet, and in the rest two, fourth and fifth, I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Again 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, single crochet in chain 5 space here, chain 3 and repeat. 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and repeat in the following sequence the complete round. Where we have made 5 double crochet, we have to make 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the center, and then 2 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 3, single crochet in chain 5 space, chain 3, and repeat the following. And in the corners where we have made 7 double crochets, you have to make 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 2 double crochet. So complete this round in the similar pattern, and I'll see you at the end of this round. Okay, so here I have completed the second round as well, and now I'm going to do a slip stitch here on the third chain stitch, which we have made at the start of this round as a double crochet here. Now the third round would be the shape, the actual shape to the heart. Now here in the corner we'll make 3 patterns. So skipping these 1 2 3 4 and 5 double crochets by making a slip stitch and reaching through the fifth double crochet. So this is 1 2 3 4, and now we are here in the center. As you can see, After skipping 5 first double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5, I'm gonna make one more slip stitch here after fifth one. Now I'll make 5 double crochet here, 1 2 3 as 1 double crochet, 3 chains as 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now I will make a slip stitch here after the second one. Here after the 2 double crochets, I'll make a slip stitch. Now again, skipping 5 1 2, skipping these 3, I will make 7 double crochets here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, sorry 7, 6 and 7. Skipping 2, I'll make a slip stitch here, and skipping these 3, I'll make 7 double crochets here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, like this. So this is our collar. I'll make 2 single crochet in this chain 3 gap, 1 and 2. Then I'll make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, and 2 single crochet in this chain 3 gap, 1 2 and 3, like this. Now skipping these 2, I'll directly make in between 4 double crochets, 1 2 and 1 2. Here in between I'll make 7 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now on this 1 double crochet in between, I'll make a slip stitch like this, and again in between these 2 double crochets and 2 double crochets, I'll make 7 double crochets here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this, and then 2 single crochet in this chain 3 gap, like this, chain 3 1 2 and 3, and 2 single crochet in this chain 3 gap, 1 2, like this. And then again we will follow the same pattern. In between these 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets and 2 double crochets, we'll make 7 double crochets, a slip stitch on the single double crochet which we have made here, and then again in between these 2 double crochet pattern we will make 7 double crochets, and we'll keep following this throughout. And in the corners, as I said, skipping 1 2 3 4 and 5, here I will make 7 double crochets, skipping 2 single slip stitch, skipping 3 7 double crochets, skipping 2 slip stitch, and skipping 3 7 double crochets. So keep following this pattern, and I'll see you at the end of this round. So here I have finally completed this last round, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch here on the third chain stitch which we have made at the start, which counted as 1 double crochet. So this is where it ends, and after 3 rounds my crochet border or edging pattern looks like this. And also in the corner I've added these flowers just to give it a beautiful look. So I hope you like this tutorial. Go ahead and try to make one. It is a very easy pattern, very easy border or edging pattern. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos. Thank you.